So it's movie night. We wanted to make a quick treat that is diabetic friendly, keto friendly. So we're going to go with popcorn. Is it going to be sweet or spicy? Let's make it and let's find out. So for our popcorn, we got 2 tablespoons for each bag. We have a combination of a half a teaspoon of sweetener. Now this sweetener, you can use sugar. I like to use a sugar substitute, or my favorite is monk fruit. A half a teaspoon of monk fruit and a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon. For our spicy, we have Tony Chacher's. So we're gonna open up the bag, super simple. Pour in our popcorn. Then we'll pour in our seasoning. Do the same thing for our spicy. We're going to grab our olive oil and we're going to put 1 teaspoon of olive oil in each bag as well. Shake that up. We want to shake it up so we get the oil on the popcorn and on the seasoning. Just evenly coated. Hit this side up too. So we're going to fold each bag 3 times over. We're going to pop it in the microwave for a minute, minute and a half till it stops popping. Then our treat will be done. All right, so the popcorn just finished popping. Let's pull it out. Let's try this out. Let's see which one we like better. So the nice thing about popcorn in a bag, it's individualized. You can make as much as you want or as little as you want. And you can season it however you want. I'm gonna try the spicy first because I like spice. Because spice is nice. That's good. It's light, it's fluffy, it's popcorn. The nice thing about doing it this way is you can adjust your seasoning to how you like it. That has just enough of the flavor and the spice that you can still taste the popcorn itself. And it's not too crazy. Let's try the sweet. The same goes with this popcorn too. You can just barely see the seasoning on it. Let's see how sweet it is. Smells like cinnamon. It's got a light hint of cinnamon and sugar, which I think is perfect. So I think the teaspoon of seasoning was perfect for each one of these. I wouldn't go any more, but if you like a stronger flavor, by all means, go for it. Hey, quick and easy. Takes you less than 3 minutes. Perfect treat for movie night. Thanks for stopping by. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.